Yours still ringing. I hear it. Just hold it tight and then do it. You could. Did you do this one?
Yeah, I did this one.
Okay. You want to do the big boy? You could keep it on your You could keep it there if it's too big, and just come close to it. Ooh, chubby. This is beautiful. It's okay, babe. This is beautiful. I love it. These ones are more so of you already have the energy, but you're trying to raise it. You feel what I'm saying? So the Tibetan bow is different. It's more focusing to get it to ring. This one is different. So these will ring if you can. This is the vibrant sounds. Everybody's in their great energy and playing the crystal singing bowls. Oh, I love it. Okay. Yes. I love it. You're still ringing. Terry, is that you? Yeah. That's Terry. He's, oh my God, is that me? Nick, let's hear it again. I could feel that one under my feet.
Yeah, that was long.
These bowls help you too because of the resignation that they have and how they vibrate. They help you to start focusing and getting your chakras in line as well. That thing ain't no joke. Whoa. Beautiful.
It's still going.
I hear it. Okay, so now what we getting ready to do, we're going to start from Rosalind.